Listen, all you men today, all you married men, please listen to this. If your prayers are not being answered, they have become a hindrance, it's because the way you're treating your wife. If a man is not considerate and respectful of his wife, his prayers will be hindered. They will never be answered. Sons, if you see your father mistreating your mother, tell him, because of you, mommy's prayers, my prayers are not being answered. Because of your stubbornness, you're hindering from God blessing us. Tell him, tell your father that there's nothing wrong. If a man is not considerate and respectful of his wife, his prayers will be hindered. His prayers will not be answered, because a living relationship with God depends on right relationship with others. If your relationship with your wife or with your brothers or others is not right, your prayers will become a hindrance. I didn't know this. When I read it, I started loving my wife more. God, I want all my prayers to be answered. It's not that I love her less, but God opened my eyes. You know, I've been asking sometimes, why God, some of my prayers are not being answered? Because there are certain things that you need to sit and talk to your wife and sort those things out. Women never forget. We men keep forgetting, but women never forget. Let's look at Matthew chapter 5 verse 23. The best example of this. Yes, please.
So if you are offering your gift at the altar, and they remember that your brothers has something against you, leave your gift there before the altar and go. First be reconciled to your brother.
If you're not right with others, your gift or your prayers will be hindered. God will not accept anything. This principle carries over into family relationships. If men, please listen to this, all you men, tomorrow you're going to become husbands and fathers. Listen to this carefully, please. If men use their position to mistreat their wives, their relationship with God will suffer. There will be no peace ever in their homes. If you mistreat your wives because of the position you are in, my wife is just a housewife. Run the house like the wife, then you will know what it is running a home. Just because you earn a little bucks, a little money you make more than her, does not give you power or authority or position to mistreat her. Your prayers will be hindered. Be careful, your prayers will not be answered, says the Bible. I pray and I hope that every married man will understand this, why his prayers are not being answered during this day. If men use their position to mistreat their wives, their relationship with God will suffer. Let's look at Romans 14:13, please. This is for the church. Yes, please.
Therefore,
Yes.
let us not pass judgment on one another.
Let us not pass judgment upon one another. Sometimes you become too judgmental, that becomes a hindrance. You start passing comments, you start judging people, and you're hindering everything in your life. What it says?
But rather decide never to put a stumbling block or
But
hindrance
decide to
in the way of
never put a stumbling block
brother, or hindrance in the way of a brother.
or hindrance in the way of the brother. Yes, please. Can you all read it once? Can you all read it? Read it out. I'm going to ask you this next week. The chapter and the verse I'm going to ask you. Galatians 5:7, and I'm going to close, please. Yes, please.
You were running well.
You were running well.
Who hindered you from obeying the truth?